Everybody is looking for that one garden hack that actually works. But what if I told you the answer has been falling from the sky, right in your backyard? Not only do pines give you cool shade and Instagram-worthy views, but they also drop a golden ticket for your garden: pine needles. That's right, those crunchy needles on the ground. They're not just yard clutter, they're garden gold. Pine needle mulch is like a spa day for your plants. Moisture, protection, and style all in one. Want your garden to go from meh to marvelous? Pine needles are your new best friend. Most folks totally overlook pine needles. But not you, not anymore. These little wonders are easy to find if you've got pines nearby, and they're absolutely free. Just grab a basket, take a stroll, and collect your garden's next upgrade. This natural mulch keeps moisture in, weeds out, and your plants grinning from root to leaf. Pine needles help your garden thrive. No fancy store-bought mulch required. Pine needles are one of the best mulches you can use in your garden. Light, fluffy, and easy to spread. They let water and air flow right through, so your plant's roots stay healthy and happy. To use them, just spread a layer about 2 to 3 inches thick around your plants and over bare soil. That's it, no fancy prep needed. Pine needles break down slowly so you won't have to reapply mulch all the time. Plus, they help keep weeds out by blocking sunlight. Less weeding for you. Next, let's discuss some of the top myths and questions folks have. Are they safe for veggies, flowers, and shrubs alike? Are you worried that pine needles will turn your garden into an acidic wasteland? Let's bust that myth wide open. Pine needles are only a little bit acidic, and guess what? They won't turn your soil into a lemon patch. Your plants are safe. And here's another whopper. Pine needles stop plants from growing. Nope, that's just garden gossip. In reality, pine needles help your plants thrive. They're like a spa day for your soil. As they break down, pine needles boost your soil's structure and feed your plants. Talk about a win-win. So next time someone warns you about pine needles, just smile and keep mulching. Pine needle mulch. Safe, effective, and your garden's new best friend. Give it a try and watch your plants thank you. If you found these pine needle tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more garden hacks. So, roll up those sleeves, get your hands gloriously dirty, and let your green thumb shine. Got a quirky garden hack or a tip that makes your plants do a happy dance? Share it with us using #Rhokins Homestead on your favorite social media. Thanks for hanging out with me at Rhokins Homestead, your go-to spot for all things green and growing. Happy gardening!